Okay, so we got the car. It runs now. Engine works all good. Recently installed a train horn. It's behind the grill, up in the front left. That's all the button down here. Works pretty cool. Engine's tuned at about 12 degrees or so. Normally it runs better, for some reason it's been running really well. Advanced further than 15 degrees. Starts right up. Let me just show you, okay, so engine's running. This is what it looks like all buttoned up. I got the windshield wiper thingy. I just, I had it was in a box for a garage sale. So I pulled it out and cleaned it up some time. Barely. I just wiped it out with a rag. That's about it. The generator does charge. It was charging at 16, now it charges at about 15 or so, 15.8. So our timing is saying 10 degrees. And at 10 degrees it kind of sounds like shit when you step on the gas. First two were me just pedal to the metal, not even letting it phase, which makes sense because it's a carbureted engine. Which I don't know if that really means anything, but I've tried to tune it at 5 degrees. We'll do that right now. So, because that's what the distributor is supposed to be timed at. Barely moved. Changes tone. Just gotta roll back a tiny bit. Now it's back to where it was. Okay, I'll be back. Timed at 5. Okay. Timed at 5 degrees. Barely see it. Let's see what it sounds like on throttle. Okay, yeah, watch. Alright, now we're gonna do sounds pretty damn good. But I have trouble with it where on a cold start it won't start at 5 degrees. So I have to roll it back. I have to advance the engine so that it'll start. So like I'll take the car to the gym and I'll be in the parking lot or something. Or even just in my driveway. Be trying to start it, pumping the gas and everything. It just won't start. And I have a can of ether in the glove box just in case, but I'm not going to use it. Because I can pop the hood and advance the engine and it'll start. So it's at 5 degrees right now. Kind of. I'm going to roll it to 15. Because I care more about the reliability of it. And obviously honestly, it's gonna start up just fine. It being at 5 degrees, engine's already warm. Gauges all work. It's gonna start up just fine. I know it. Not even with gas. Engine's about maybe 20 miles broken in now. I don't drive it very hard, and I probably shouldn't be giving it that throttle really hard, but it's okay. I'm not abusing it. But yeah, if anyone has any answers to the reason why it'll have trouble starting at 5 degrees before top dead center, please let me know, because I want it to run this smooth all the time if I can. Yeah, if anyone has any answers, let me know. I'll probably post about it on the forum. I got this new radiator cap. It's not really new. I ordered it off eBay. It's just like NOS. Yeah, looking good. Alright, thanks for watching. Pretty late update. It's been like 2 months. But it's all good.